The attention war, look around. While you're watching this video, someone is profiting from your time. Right now, you are the ultimate resource in a game you didn't even know you were playing. The most expensive currency in the 21st century isn't Bitcoin or gold. It's your attention. Have you ever wondered why it's so hard to focus on building your business, but so easy to scroll through a feed for 2 hours? It's not laziness. It's the result of hundreds of the world's best psychologists and engineers hired by giant corporations. Their only job? To keep you distracted, because while you're distracted, you aren't creating, you're consuming. And the ones getting rich are those who write the rules of consumption. Manipulation number 1, the information noise. They've convinced you that you need to stay informed. News, gossip, endless notifications. It creates a dangerous illusion of being busy. Your brain is overloaded with digital junk, leaving zero energy for deep thinking. The manipulation is simple. If they keep you in a state of constant micro-stress or cheap dopamine hits, you'll never build a long-term strategy. The wealthy buy your time for pennies while you waste your best hours discussing things that have nothing to do with your future. You're burning mental fuel on nonsense while they're fueling their private jets. Manipulation number 2, the cult of fake success. The second trap is the lifestyle they sell you. They want you to want things you can't afford, so you work a job you hate. They force you to crave the new phone, the designer clothes, and the status car on credit. It's the perfect loop. It's the rat race. The more you try to look rich, the less chance you have to actually be rich. Real wealth is built in silence, in the refusal of instant gratification for a bigger goal. But the system doesn't want financially free individuals. It needs loyal debtors who are too busy paying bills to look up and realize they are being controlled. Conclusion: breaking the matrix. Your path to wealth doesn't start with your first $1,000. It starts with the first hour you take back from the algorithms and give to yourself. Stop reacting. Start acting. Every time you reach for your phone out of boredom, ask yourself, who benefits from this? If the answer isn't you, then you are being manipulated. Turn off the notifications. Clear your space. Start building your own empire while everyone else is busy watching others build theirs. Your time is running out. How will you spend it today?